car long enough. That's why I try to watch out and not stand in front of things like this.
Good, Tyler. Get to so you can see. Good over there.
They didn't have pumps. I wonder how they actually used to load them back then. They used to have to do a lot of stuff to load guns back then. It's a lot of steps. That's why they don't make them nowadays. Yep. And if you got your finger jammed inside of them, that would hurt. Are those like old Russian guns? Or United States?
Tyler, watch.
You know how you can find parts for cannons nowadays, and you do, that would be worth a lot of money. Just trying to wet the cannon. Wetting the barrel. Oh, that's spider fluid. It's gonna be a loud one. I'm gonna do a video. It's gonna be a lot of smoke.
Tyler, here it comes, bud. Ram down car. Taking pride. Breathe in. Fire.
That scared the absolute crap out of me. Oh my god. My jaw was so freaking hot.